Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel. In this video, we will discuss a food called meatless steak made from vegetable protein, especially for vegetarians. But before that, don't forget to give your best support by pressing the subscribe, like and share buttons, and activate the notification bell, so you always get the latest video information from this channel. Is there a steak that is not made from meat? Maybe that's the question that crosses your mind. To answer that question, let's watch the video and see the discussion to the end. Steak is one dish that is loved by many people. Generally made from the main ingredients of animal meat such as beef. Beef cuts are processed by grilling on the grill, and combined with selected sauces. However, what about those of you who live a vegetarian lifestyle that does not consume meat, or maybe you are on a diet program? If you're a vegan, there's no need to worry, because today, you can still enjoy healthy steaks without meat, made from plant-based ingredients. This alternative to eating meatless steak, or better known as vegan steak, can provide a unique and different steak eating experience, because it is made from 100% halal vegetable protein and of course non-cholesterol. If you look back at history, the term vegan was first coined by a carpenter in England named Donald Watson in 1944. It was in that year that the syllable vegan emerged and became known as a diet that is 100% plant-based protein. Donald Watson initially adapted a vegetarian diet, namely a diet that does not eat meat, but still consumes milk, eggs, yogurt, and cheese. Nowadays, the vegan diet is becoming more and more popular and is starting to be loved by many people, and has become part of a person's healthy lifestyle. This can be seen from the number of restaurants or supermarkets, which have begun to offer many choices of food menus, especially steaks made from vegetable protein. Some of the reasons, because there have been many studies in America and Europe, showing that this vegan diet is high in fiber, functions as an antioxidant, and is very good at preventing or fighting non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, coronary heart disease, stroke and others. One study in Indonesia itself, published in the Journal of Human Nutrition, also states that people who follow a vegan diet have good blood sugar and triglyceride levels, due to the high intake of fiber from nuts, seeds, vegetables and fruit consumed by vegans every day. Quoted from the Indonesian Wikipedia, triglycerides are the main constituent of vegetable oils and animal fats, which are found in the blood and body fat cells. The body gets most of the triglycerides from foods such as butter, cooking oil, fatty meats, cheese, and cream. Triglycerides can also come from sugar and alcohol. So, fat from food consumed by our body, will be broken down and converted into energy. Any fat that is not used by the body will be converted into triglycerides, and stored in fat cells. Then, when needed by the body, triglycerides are released to be used as energy. In conclusion, triglycerides for the body can be obtained through animal and vegetable food sources. Only difference, the level of triglycerides produced by consuming animal food sources, is higher when compared to the consumption of foods made from plants or plants. So, to deal with this, now there are many choices of this plant-based food, especially for fans of delicious steaks without meat, especially for vegans. Vegan steak or steak without meat has a satisfying texture and taste, and is almost similar to steak made from meat in general, and of course cholesterol-free. Like some examples of vegan steaks below. Okay everyone, that's some special steaks for vegans. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.